making fun of your mama.
Sticking his tongue out at me. Hello, feet.
Someone's paying attention only to your camera.
I know.
We're at Great Wolf Lodge. Ugh.
Surprise.
Tricked ya.
Curse you.
Curse. Oh, we can leave.
Let me go on my side.
We surprised you. We're going to be here for 2 sleeps. All right. Excellent.